Have you ever seen art like this? These incredible patterns and vibrant colors were made with something you probably already have at home, bubbles. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own amazing bubble paintings. It's super easy, a ton of fun, and the results are absolutely stunning. You won't believe how simple it is to make these beautiful masterpieces. So let's get ready to make some art and have a blast doing it. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some basic dish soap, regular water, and a set of food coloring to give our bubbles those brilliant hues. Grab a few small bowls or containers, one for each color you want to use. You'll also need some straws for blowing the bubbles and, of course, some white paper to capture our designs. I'm using a slightly thicker paper, like cardstock, because it holds up better with the wet bubbles. But regular printer paper works too. Having everything ready to go makes the whole process smooth and easy. So let's get our art station set up. Now for the fun part, mixing our magic bubble solution. In each of your bowls, you're going to create a different color. Start by pouring a little bit of water into a bowl, about a quarter of the way full. Then add a good squeeze of dish soap. You want a nice soapy mixture. The exact ratio isn't super important. Just aim for something that will make good bubbles. Next, grab your food coloring. Add several drops into the soap and water mixture. The more drops you add, the more intense your color will be. Give it a gentle stir with your straw to mix everything together without making too many suds just yet. Now, repeat this process for all the other colors you want to use. I'm making a blue, a yellow, a red, and a green. Look at how vibrant these look already. Alright, our colors are mixed and ready. It's time to create the bubbles. This is my favorite step. Take your straw, place it into one of your colored solutions, and start blowing gently. You're not trying to blow bubbles out into the air. Instead, you want to blow into the liquid to create a big, beautiful dome of tiny bubbles that rises up and over the rim of the bowl. Keep blowing steadily until you have a nice big cluster of bubbles. See how they form this gorgeous, textured dome? That's exactly what we're looking for. Do this for each of your colors, so you have a colorful array of bubble domes ready for printing. Now, let's make some art. Take a clean sheet of white paper. Hold it flat and carefully lower it onto one of your bubble domes. You don't need to press down hard. Just let the paper gently kiss the top of the bubbles. Hold it there for just a second and then lift it straight up. Look at that. The bubbles have popped and left behind this incredible, intricate pattern on the paper. It looks like a beautiful mosaic or a close-up of a dragonfly wing. But why stop at one color? The real magic happens when you start layering it. Take that same piece of paper and gently lay it on top of a different colored bubble dome. You can overlap the patterns, cover different sections, and mix the colors to create new shades. I'm going to add some yellow over my blue. Wow, see how the colors blend and create these cool green tones where they overlap. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Play around with it, experiment with different color combinations, and fill your page with as many bubble prints as you like until you're happy with your design. Once you've created a design you love, you need to let it dry completely. Lay your bubble paintings flat on a clean, dry surface. Be careful not to smudge the wet prints. As the paper dries, you'll notice the colors become even more vivid and the delicate patterns really start to pop. It takes a little bit of patience, but it's totally worth the wait. While these are drying, you can get started on your next masterpiece. You can make so many unique designs in just one session. And here they are, all dry and ready to be shown off. Look at the variety of patterns and color combinations we were able to create. Each one is completely unique. You can use these for so many things. Frame them as abstract art. Cut them up for greeting cards, or use them as beautiful background paper for other craft projects. The possibilities are endless. I really hope you give this a try. It's such a fun and satisfying activity for all ages. If you do make your own bubble art, I would love to see it. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun ideas. Happy creating!